bunch of cowboys.
Okay, so this one is just over 2,100 square feet. Got a little closet when you walk in. So let's check out the bedroom first. Bedroom number one, got these floor to ceiling windows. So there are two balconies. This is balcony number one. And then now this is an oversized closet. You have built-in shelving right there, so you don't need a dresser, which gives you more space in the bedroom. And look at this wonderful, look how big this bathroom is. This is huge. The glass shower and the tub. So this is one of their premium units, built-in shelving right here. I love how they have this darker marble and then the lighter marble tile on the floors and the bathtubs and showers. I'm walking down the hall. You've got your second bathroom right here with a walk-in shower, same finishes. Another closet and a full-size laundry room. Okay, bedroom number two, floor to ceiling windows. Let's check out the closet. Another spacious closet with built-ins. Then you've even got another space for your studying, so workspace, or you know what? There's plenty of space out here to work. This is just fantastic. This view is amazing. You get a ton of natural light coming in from this side. This beautiful kitchen. So these shades are actually power controlled. So these come all the way down if you want some privacy. But if you don't, you can just enjoy the beautiful view they're building. A couple more high rises here, as you can see across the street. This area is the Star, and it's very quiet up here, but there's a lot to do, as you can see. They're building so many things around here. Frisco is changing rapidly. Just another thing to note, they've got plenty of spaces to plug in your stuff on the floor. So if you have lights, different things around where you want to put the couch, the TV, all that, which is so convenient.